To do the R2-D2.
Did you want to do the bundle in the back of the chair?
No, but I'll just do one chip. I'll do the one with the screen that you recommended.
It's gonna be 122.45.
What are we going, guys? R2 unit, both of them? So you're looking for the big can like this. Right now we only have black and white. Then we have the long legs like those black ones. They come in white, black, and red. Heads, a ton of different ones. And the third leg, same color. Okay? As soon as you have your 4 parts, you let me know. Okay? Just pull them onto the basket. Something that you don't like, you put it back and you bring up something else.
Okay.
Good with you?
Yeah.
Awesome. There's only 19 different heads to choose from. It's easy.
That's easy. That's the easy part.
Okay, so I have my black body. Time to look for some legs and a head. Decisions, decisions, decisions.
Oh, okay, so what droid are you building? A BB unit?
Got my legs. I might do this. Or no, this is the wrong part. Never mind. That was for another unit. I think it's a BB-8 unit. I need to find the one for the R2. Let's see what this is. I'm gonna try this. I might want to switch out, but we can see how this works. This might work. Actually, make sure I'm getting the right parts. So I have a head, I have a body, and I have the legs. I'm not sure what else I need. Oh, I see the persona. And I think that might be the last thing I need. Okay.
Your droid's birthday too.
Yes, it's my droid's birthday. So I have, I hope I have all the right parts.
Yes, you got it.
Okay. Which one?
The phone is like, I can't do both. Like, I mean, I'll alternate after one. 25, right? I think I'll get you guys. As long as I stay like this in the middle, it's like it'll capture both of you guys.
Oh, because it's wide. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Is this your first time on planet? Been here before?
No, I've never been here.
Oh, welcome.
Yeah, you know, we had a bit of a bumpy ride getting off of that transport on the other side of the park. On the other side of Batu, yeah.
Oh, that'll do it, yeah. Glad you're in the
Hey, Parker.
So how are you? Oh, yeah.
Alright, so you can start by turning the switch on the bottom right there.
Okay.
Right there, perfect. You take this leg and push it into that socket to the other side.
Okay.
And then hold this button and drill that screw in. Right, around
I
there.
see.
There you go, perfect.
Okay.
Down there, bro. Perfect. You do the same thing recording on the other side.
Other side of things.
Same thing, just turn that switch on right there. And then you can take this leg and push it right to that socket.
Okay. I think we're screwed in.
You got it, alright. Now you can take this middle foot and push it right in just like that.
Okay.
Perfect. Now you set the head right on top and turn it so it falls down on the center.
Okay.
Keep on turning it.
I'll turn it. Okay.
You push it down now.
But we're going to need that area in a second.
Do they have to face the same way, or can
By putting on here.
Bro, it's out of focus right now. He's not even looking at the camera.
Perfect. Good job. Now you're going to put it inside here.
Okay, Kendra.
And now you're going to look for a little red arrow on the outside of the
Prince is
body.
so focused right
Push
now.
the red arrow on the outside of the body. Do you see it on the bottom? There, you match them up because they need to match up. Okay, do you have the top one? Okay, you can snap them
How's your
together.
birthday been so
They have to
far?
go in
It's been great. I mean, until we heard the news today.
Yeah.
So
there, and now you need to
hopefully it
turn.
won't be too bad. It's just a little.
Okay, turn with both hands on top. I'll hold the bottom for you. Got it? Perfect. So the body's done. Now to build the head, you need to first remove the head
Get
center.
those arms going either side of the head up here.
Hold them out. And there's one on the other on the
to kinda
inside
match
further.
this.
Just pull it up. Pull it up. There you go.
You also get a satellite dish to go right on top.
There you go.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
Yep. Then you're going to
What colors do you want to go layers? We have red, white, blue, or black. I think those two sections there.
White and blue.
Alright, so you push the small part into the bottom and the big part into the top. And right over here we have red, white, blue, or black for the leg panels. What colors would you like for that? Would you like to see any of them on there?
Can I see it, please? Yeah.
Like this right here. And they'll be in just like that on the
I
side.
see. So do we do black? Or do we do red? Decisions. I'm gonna do black.
Black, I think that's the best way to do it.
So do I just pop it in here?
Now we're going to build the head. To build the head, you're going to look for these three circles.
Okay.
Over here,
The other
you can
side.
find these three circles on the base, in the front, right over here. You see them here?
Alright, you also activate your droid to life.
And you're going to
Yes.
clamp it all together.
Do I need to put my thing in?
We'll put that in right after. Right now, once that big button in the middle starts blinking red, you can press it.
Down, okay? So press the trigger right there.
Activate it.
Perfect. Good job. Now you're going to put on the
Press that button there in the
The
center.
antenna, you put it with the silver part in any order you want.
You know you're going to name your droid. Another decision.
That's another hard decision. What should I name my droid? Uh-oh, droid activation.
Congratulations, your droid's fully activated.
Yes. Thank you.
Legs back. Got front leg back and the feet forward. Down right here. And then you can go forward or backwards with these two arrows here. This one will be how it makes sound and talks to you. This one isn't going to do anything right now. It'll be for the accessories on that wall over there. It'll be jetpacks, blasters, stuff like that.
Okay.
You can turn the head side to side or turn the droid side to side. Right? You want to get a test drive?
Body's
Yeah,
done.
reach out the ship
So
whenever
now
you're
you're
ready.
going to build the head.
Okay.
Right, activate your droid.
So let's see. So I have forward and back. Gotta make sure I don't push it off the table. Okay, so forward, back, side and side.
No idea? Okay. Keep going. No, you're doing good. Turn.
One like that, that looks over here yellow. And then we have like a more rectangular.
Now it's straight.
Flat one.
Right? So, are you ready to activate? Let's get right. Oh.
Uh-oh. I think he wants to say something.
This is your first droid. I thought you were a pro at this already.
Oh, we have to find a name.
You're going to press that red button. It lights up. And watch it come on.
Right. Really? Oh, that's what I thought too. I know. Well, maybe move back a little. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. He's ready to go.
Ready to change that chip?
Oh, yeah. So how do I change
That, turn the droid off right there at the bottom.
Okay.
That's just how you turn your droid on and off.
On and off, okay.
Then open up this door here. If it ever doesn't open, you just pull this out.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
Push the chip all the way in there. Either way is fine.
Okay. Here we go.
Arms go either side of the head there.
Yeah, they didn't go in. Let me try the other way.
Wait, about building.
Kind of gotta be rough with it. Just push it as hard as you can.
What about building?
Get in there.
Alright, you turn
Okay.
it back on at the bottom there. Alright, you press that bottom red button here to do this.
Okay.
Alright, so satellite.
I like the new boys.
You did that.
It's online. You saw that? So, now, you're going to control it with this.
Oh, he's dancing.
Pointing. And then you can go forward. Or you can go backwards. You see how fast it is? Yeah, so it's real fast. If you're not careful, he'll jump off the table,
Yeah.
okay?
Uh-oh, we have another activation.
Okay, we'll do lights and sounds on this. So try it out. Mom, ready to catch it, but we'll try to jump off the table. This part is a treat.
Alright, congratulations. Your droid's fully activated as well. Pull both the legs back. Front leg back and feet forward.
And how do you feel?
Yes, I love it.
The same controls.
Move the head around.
Make sound and talk.
Now I want to turn the head straight. Where's it this way?
Side to side.
We boxed up the droids. We are gonna, well, bagged up the droids. We're gonna go do the lightsabers and we are gonna ship everything from the hotel because it's probably gonna be cheaper. But we're looking at these accessory chips because the R2-D2 units, they have special jetpacks and gun blasters, and there's a special button on the remote so that way we can do these things. That's what that is. I was gonna wonder, wait.